It is not primarily what the witness does in the name of the Lord, although this is included. We had that this morning. But it's primarily what the witness allows God to do in him. You see, that's the miracle of it. If I can do something for God to try to impress people, well, I can take a little credit for that. I may pretend to be humble and say, to God be the glory, but I'm satisfying myself that, well, listen, I did something for God, don't you see? And he really doesn't get the glory in the true sense. But if God is allowed to live in us, as the apostle prays, that you might so understand this truth, that Christ may dwell in your hearts by faith, Ephesians 3:17, then he's going to get the glory, because what he does in you is not something that you've done for yourself. It's supernatural. And the world is without excuse. As we heard this morning, the world is without excuse because of the witness of all of creation, of nature. The world is without excuse because of the witness of conscience within everyone. And conscience in everyone argues for the existence of a moral governor of the universe. Because conscience not only pronounces a curse or a blessing upon my motives, but conscience is also within me with an impelling urge that tells me I ought to have the right motive, you see.